creative people, welcome back to Nia and I'm his creative line. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Bhagavani picture of 3 fishes. I'll even be including how I made the frameworks for these pictures also. So make sure to watch the entire video. Before going on to the video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet and ring the bell icon and select the all option for new updates whenever we upload a new video. Let's begin.
These are the things required are a pencil. This is a normal octane gel pen, scale, eraser. You can use acrylic color for the background. I'm using oil pastels. And this is a normal A4 size sheet. The length of this paper is 33 centimeters and the breadth is 18 centimeters. Okay. So firstly we are going to draw the border for it. I'm going to leave 1.5 centimeters on all the sides and draw the line. Now I'm going to take 0.7 centimeter from this line. Hope you can see it. I'm going to draw 0.7 centimeter on all the sides and then draw the lines according to it. After drawing the lines, you can complete it by drawing with this gel pen. Once you finished with drawing these lines, now let's fill it with these simple designs. These are ones which I made it previously. We are done with the border work. Now let's go to the fishes. We are done with the drawing. Now the remaining thing is the background. I'm using oil pastels here. You can choose acrylic colors or poster colors also. I've taken orange here. So now let's start coloring. We are done with the drawing work now. We are only left out with the frame. I'll even be showing you how I made the frames for these 2 pictures also. We need a thick sheet. I got this from my old stuff. Scissors, glue. You can use acrylic paints for coloring or you can even take a colored paper and brushes. Let's begin. The first and only step to make a frame is to select your desired measurement. For my previous artworks, I've taken 1 centimeter wide frame. And the height is 0.5 centimeters. You can choose anything of your choice. This was the picture which I wanted to frame. Measure the length of the paper and cut it according to it. Now mark as shown. Now score these lines. Now let's cut it. Now make one more like this. I've made these two pieces and I painted them with brown color. Now let's move on to the breadth piece. I've made one already. This is the top part. Now I'll be showing you how I made the same thing for the down part. Before moving on to our next step, I want to tell you that this breadth piece was 18 centimeters. I've not taken exactly 18 centimeters. This is 18.5 centimeters. We need to follow the same thing on all the sides. For the length also, the length was 33 centimeters. I've cut 33.5 centimeters. Follow the same thing. 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Now move on to 2.5 centimeter and 3 centimeters. Now draw lines according to them and let's score them. I'm making this for the down part. I have already made for the top part. For the bottom part, this last line, the second line, we'll have to measure 1 centimeter from the end. From here, mark 1 centimeter and then join to this line, like this. Now follow the same thing over this side also. When you're doing the top part, we'll have to do the same thing for the first line over here. As I'm doing the bottom part, I've done on the second line. Once we are done painting these sticks, let's stick them. Leave a bit of this white space. Remember to leave that extra length equally on both the ends. To make it sturdy, I've stuck the thin cardboard behind the picture. This is the back side of the picture. I stick the white sheet behind it. This was the thin cardboard which I was going to stick. Glue the ends. There you go, we are done with the picture. I stick these pictures with double-sided tape. You don't need to nail it. It's easy to remove and stick. I painted these frames with brown color to get a wooden touch. Hope you all enjoyed my video. If so, please give me a like. See you in the next video with new creative ideas.